Are you looking to upgrade your car audio system with the best free air subwoofer? In this video, we will showcasing the top 5 free air subwoofers on the market. Free air subwoofers, also known as infinite baffle subwoofers, provide exceptional bass without the need for an enclosure. They are perfect for saving space while providing impressive sound quality. Check out the links in the description box for more information about the featured subwoofer. Now, let's dive in. CT Sounds 2R-PO 12D2 Car Subwoofer. The CT Sounds 2R-PO 12D2 Car Subwoofer is a high-performance audio solution designed to deliver powerful and immersive bass in your vehicle. It offers a 12-inch dual 2-ohm configuration with a high power handling capacity. It features a 2.5-inch 4-layer high-temperature copper voice coil and an optimized motor for superior performance and durability. The subwoofer efficiently dissipates heat, allowing for extended playtime without compromising sound quality. The subwoofer features a flexible high-foam surround and a 3% carbon fiber reinforced cone, providing precise and accurate bass reproduction. These components enhance the overall sound quality and ensure the subwoofer can handle dynamic and demanding music genres. The subwoofer features an advanced air cooling system and a chrome-plated low-carbon iron bottom plate, which work together to effectively dissipate heat and minimize distortion. This ensures clear and distortion-free bass output, providing an enhanced audio experience. The dual round-weaved copper tinsel leads and 12-gauge push terminals ensure secure and reliable electrical connections for optimal performance. ROCKVILLE MS10 W Free Air Subwoofer. The ROCKVILLE MS10 W Free Air Subwoofer is a powerful and durable marine subwoofer that delivers exceptional sound quality. With a maximum power output of 2400 watts and RMS program power of 1200 watts, this subwoofer produces deep, rich bass that can be felt even from thousands of feet away. The polypropylene cone with a rubber edge ensures durability and enhances the overall sound performance. One of the standout features of this subwoofer is its double-stacked 80-Ohm magnet, which allows the subwoofer to handle a significant amount of power. The subwoofer is also CEA 2031 compliant, making it easy to compare with other premium brands in the market. With a frequency response of 30 Hz 4 kHz and a sensitivity rating of 90 decibels, this subwoofer delivers excellent audio reproduction and can be paired with a variety of amplifiers. The molded ABS plastic basket is not only waterproof but also unbreakable, ensuring the subwoofer can withstand harsh marine conditions. Additionally, it features LED lighting, adding a visually stunning element to your marine audio setup. Infinity Reference EF1200S Shallow Mount Subwoofer. The Infinity Reference EF1200's 12-inch shallow mount subwoofer offers impressive installation flexibility and powerful bass performance. Designed with a low profile, this subwoofer is perfect for compact cars and vehicles with limited space, fitting seamlessly into shallow enclosures. The polypropylene woofer cones deliver exceptional bass response, producing deep and immersive sound that enhances your audio experience. What sets this subwoofer apart is its Harman proprietary selectable smart impedance feature. This innovative technology allows you to easily switch between a 2 or 4 ohm load, providing compatibility with a wide range of amplifiers. This flexibility ensures that you can achieve the optimal impedance for your specific setup, resulting in enhanced sound quality and efficiency. Featuring a high sensitivity rating of 92 decibel, this subwoofer produces powerful and clear bass, even with lower amplifier power, ensuring an impressive audio experience. Furthermore, these subwoofers undergo rigorous OEM-level reliability testing, ensuring their durability and long-lasting performance. Pioneer TSSW2002 D2 Shallow Mount Subwoofer. The Pioneer TSSW2002 D2 Shallow Mount Subwoofer is the perfect solution for car audio enthusiasts who desire powerful bass without sacrificing space. With its 8-inch size, this subwoofer is designed to fit in tight enclosures or shallow spaces in your vehicle. The dual 2-ohm voice coils of this subwoofer provide exceptional performance and offer flexibility in wiring configurations, allowing for customization and versatility in your audio setup. The Mecha-injected resin cone ensures accurate and responsive bass reproduction, allowing you to enjoy rich and immersive low-frequency sounds. Capable of handling up to 150 watts RMS, 600 watts peak power, This shallow mount subwoofer delivers punchy and dynamic bass that enhances your overall audio experience. With a frequency response range of 20 to 200 Hz, it reproduces deep and impactful bass notes with precision. Finally, it is designed for free air applications, meaning it can work effectively without being installed in a traditional enclosure. This provides added versatility and makes it suitable for various car audio setups. Kicker CWC-D84 Comp Subwoofer. The Kicker CWC-D84 Comp 8-inch subwoofer delivers powerful and impactful bass performance for car audio enthusiasts. The subwoofer features dual 4-ohm voice coils for flexible wiring and optimal compatibility with CX series amplifiers. Its injection-molded polypropylene cone and ribbed polyurethane surround ensure durability and accurate bass reproduction. The perimeter venting system aids in thermal management for consistent performance. The signature yellow surround stitching not only adds a stylish touch, but also reinforces the surround for improved reliability and longevity. High-strength spuralid tinsel leads provide a reliable electrical connection for consistent performance. Featuring a stamped steel basket and a high-temperature voice coil, this subwoofer is built to withstand the demands of high-power applications. The spring-loaded speaker terminals make wiring quick and easy. Thank you for watching our video on the best free air subwoofers. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect subwoofer for your car audio system. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.